Got the 2J going down. Cleaning the block, about to assemble the head, put the head on the block and get this sucker together. Manly oversized valves, fresh deck, bigger cams, titanium retainers, bronze guides. He's ready to roll.
Okay guys, so here we're putting in our ARP head studs. We got those lubed up with the ARP grease. They're ready to go. We're going to run them down hand tight all the way around. Make sure they're torqued down but not too much, right? Then you're going to drop your washers on before your studs, by the way. Then we put our nuts on.